In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can repost a story here on Instagram if you're tagged. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, if someone tags you in their Instagram story, you can actually easily repost it to your own followers, and here's exactly how you can do that. First, obviously, you go ahead and find the story that you were tagged in. From the homepage, you can actually tap on this little message icon up in the top right corner, and this is going to show you all of your DMs. Now, you can actually check your messages and DMs within here, and you're automatically going to receive one from the person that tagged you. In this case, we're going to go ahead and do this one right here, just because that's the person who tagged me. And then you just need to simply go ahead and open up that DM, and you're going to have an option to add to your story directly from here, or you can actually open up the specific story and then select Add to Story. When you select this option, it's going to give you the opportunity to customize the story however you would like. You can add text, you can add stickers, you can even change the background or adjust the layout. It's completely up to you what you do. But once you're done editing it, simply tap your story down in the bottom left-hand corner and it's going to be posted to your followers. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more Instagram content just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.